Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel RVer Cars. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of luxury RVs with a closer look at the brand new 2025 Thor Motor Coach. If you've been dreaming of the open road and a home that moves with you, this could be exactly what you're looking for. Let's explore what makes this motorhome one of the most talked about models of the year. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Thor Motor Coach boasts a bold and modern design that turns heads wherever it goes. With full-body paint options, sleek aerodynamic contours, and integrated LED lighting, it not only looks high-end but is built to withstand the toughest travel conditions. The automatic awning, outdoor entertainment setup with speakers and TV hookup, and massive storage compartments make life on the road incredibly convenient and comfortable. Its premium build sits on a reliable Ford or Freightliner chassis, depending on the model, ensuring stability and performance on any terrain. Inside, the Thor Motor Coach offers a cozy yet modern layout that's perfect for couples or families. You'll find plush seating, a compact but well-equipped kitchen, and a dinette that easily converts into extra sleeping space. The finishes are upscale, with quality wood cabinetry and LED lighting giving it a warm, welcoming feel. It's not overly spacious, but everything is thoughtfully placed to maximize comfort and functionality. When it comes to performance, the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a powerful V8 engine or diesel pusher option, it delivers strong torque and smooth acceleration even when fully loaded. It handles highway cruising and mountainous terrain with ease, thanks to its tuned suspension and advanced transmission. The ride is quieter and more stable than in previous models, and fuel efficiency has been slightly improved to give you more miles per gallon, an important factor for long trips. Safety is a top priority for Thor, and this coach includes features like lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system, and automatic emergency braking. The driver assist technology makes it much easier to maneuver such a large vehicle, especially for those new to RV driving. You'll also appreciate the stability control system and advanced tire pressure monitoring that help you stay safe and aware on the road. One of the unique selling points of the 2025 Thor Motor Coach is the smart home technology built right in. You can control lighting, temperature, and even slide outs from a central touchscreen or an app on your phone. It also comes with solar prep, Wi-Fi capabilities, and even a workstation setup for remote workers. Thor has really focused on blending luxury with functionality, making it ideal for modern travelers who don't want to compromise comfort while exploring. As for price, the 2025 Thor Motor Coach starts at around $180,000 and can go up to $250,000 or more depending on the trim level and customizations. While it's definitely a premium investment, the level of quality, performance, and convenience it offers makes it a strong contender for anyone serious about RV living or extended road trips. In conclusion, the 2025 Thor Motor Coach is a fantastic option for those looking to combine freedom, comfort, and modern tech into one powerful package. It's stylish, safe, and smart, everything you'd want in a mobile home. If you're ready to hit the road in luxury, this could be your perfect companion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this, only on RVer Cars. See you in the next video.